Let's look at the Excel function called Lambda. Lambda function can be used in spreadsheets where there are a lot of repetitive formulas and you don't want to have the hassle of either typing them, or you don't want to have the hassle of even dragging and dropping them for that matter. It has an added advantage where you can hide some sensitive information. For example, you are giving an lower interest rate to a special customer. I mean, that formula can technically hide that internal calculation that you may have for some group of customers. So let's look at a simple example where we are calculating the simple interest. So we have the principal into number of years into the rate of interest. Now I type the lambda formula. So lambda, the syntax is parameters and then the calculation. So you can declare as many parameters for the calculation and then you can calculate it as well. So now I'm saying the first parameter is principal, second parameter is number of years, third parameter is rate of interest. And once I'm done declaring my variables, now I'm going to put in the formula or the calculation with the help of these parameters. So P into N into R. So this is the calculation and I'm done. I'm closing parentheses and hitting enter. I get a calc error, which is completely fine. I'm just going to copy this into a name range. So I'm going to cut this, going to formulas, name range, and I'm going to create a new name range called interest, and I'm going to say the formula which we just typed. I'm just going to paste that formula right there and I'm going to click OK. Now this becomes like a function in the sheet. That is why it gets exciting. So now is equal to, if I say is equal to interest, now you can see that you have a new function there called interest, and I'm going to feed in the parameter in the same order. So I'm going to say principal, comma, not multiplication, but comma, number of years, comma, the rate of interest. Done, close parentheses, you get the interest. And now I just want to touch base on that second part which I told you, where you can hide sensitive information. For example, you're giving some gold members a special rate of interest. So for example, you're giving them 0.5% of the interest rate. So we can create a special formula for them. So I just go into the naming manager, I create a new one and I say golden interest, maybe for a gold group of customers. I'm going to put in the formula. Over here, the rate of interest, I'm going to say minus 0.5%, closing brackets, enter. Now you have a new formula which is golden interest. I'm going to say close, I'm going to say is equal to golden interest, and I'm going to say P into N into R. I get 110. So now nobody knows why. If you look at this formula, it does not tell you why this amount has been calculated, because all the calculations are internal. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.